In this video, I'm going to show you how to make longer reels on Instagram. Now you are able to make reels up to 90 seconds, and let me show you how to do that. So first make sure that you updated your Instagram to the latest version, because that is a quite new Instagram feature. So open up App Store, type here Instagram, and there make sure that button next to Instagram app says open, so it means that my Instagram is the latest version. If it says update, tap on that button and update your Instagram. So now open up your Instagram, tap on plus sign, and here select reel, and now there you need to tap on that length icon, and there you are able to switch between lengths of your reel. You can switch between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds and 90 seconds. Currently 19 seconds is the maximum length of your Instagram reel, but previous length was only 60 seconds. So now you know how to make longer reels on your Instagram. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.